Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this You Love Cool Items stick changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this You Love Cool Items stick changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment.